Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano ang situation ninyo 1 year from now. From the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Libra. Kamusta kayo 1 year from now? Sa mga Libras, 1 year from now. Kamusta po ang mga Libra 1 year from now? What are the energies 1 year from now? Tree of Life. Wow, ang ganda nito because this is about blessings. So 1 year from now, maraming blessings na darating sa'yo. There's also growth, no? Kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo, like example, trabaho, negosyo, related sa kabuhayan mo, no? Ito ay magiging maunlad. So makikita mo na yung growth niyan 1 year from now. So I also see you na improving your life, your lifestyle, no? Your living situation 1 year from now. So a lot of blessings. Pwede rin merong bagong member of the family 1 year from now. Let's see what else. You have River. Ayan. River is about forgiveness. So maaring yung iba sa inyo 1 year from now, meron kayong patatawarin, no? This can be a person na naging parte ng buhay mo and for some reasons, may mga hindi pagkakaunawaan, nag-drift apart kayo or nagkahiwalay. Pwede rin naman tong ikaw mismo, no? Patatawaran mo yung sarili mo sa mga sa tingin mo naging pagkakamali mo or pagkukulang mo or mga bagay na nire-resent mo, no? Mga pinagsisisihan mo. So, you will be able to forgive yourself. And yung forgiveness kasi yan yung nagpapalaya sa atin eh, no? Mas nagpapagaan ng ating kalooban. So you take responsibility for your mistakes and for your decisions. Let's see, ano pa, Libra, 1 year from now. Sage. Okay, ang sage is about cleansing. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maaring 1 year from now, you will, cleanse your energy. Maaring yung mga toxic situations sa buhay mo, iiwasan mo na or aalis ka na sa mga ganong klaseng situation because gusto mo ng kapayapaan, katahimikan. So you will also ground yourself. That is also one way to remove negative energies eh. So maaring pag-aaralan mo rin 'yan kung hindi ka pa aware or hindi ka pa sanay sa mga cleansing activities, no, or mga rituals. So you will be more interested dun sa mga pamamaraan para mag-cleanse ng energies or mag-cleanse ng space. So I think for you Libra, there's definitely a sense of maturity sa inyo 1 year from now. I think mas pipiliin mong mamuhay ng tahimik, no? At peace, walang dinadalang sama ng loob at malayo sa stress sa buhay. Iiwas ka sa mga toxic situation. Let's see your overall energy 1 year from now for Libra. You have the 7 of Wands. Iiwasan mo na yung mga alam mong bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo or mga bagay na hindi mag-i-improve ng buhay mo. So, you're going to be more defensive and protecting your energies. Oo, number 1 yan na isa sa importante sa atin na we need to protect our energies kasi may mga tao talagang mabilis makapanghawa, no? Let's say, okay ka naman, tapos biglang itong taong to kinausap ka, tapos after mong makausap yung taong yun, stress ka na or parang ang bigat na ng kalooban mo kasi pwedeng ito ay nagpapasa ng nega energy sa'yo. So, I also see you na mas magiging you are going to stand your ground. You will set boundaries. Hindi mo na rin hahayaan yung sarili mo na maimpluwensyahan ng iba or mapilit ng iba sa mga gusto nilang gawin na gawin mo, no? you will definitely know how to say no. Learn how to say no, okay? Hindi ka na people pleaser. So, your challenge is the Three of Wands. So, maaring meron kang challenge na pagdadaanan pagdating sa pag-grow ng iyong business or ng trabaho mo or ng mga plans mo. Pwedeng merong mga plans na madidelay, but ang importante rito is you have patience kasi lahat naman yan, no, may tamang panahon kung kailan siya magaganap para sa iyo. And also, pwede ring if you have a long distance relationship or connection with someone, posibleng maging challenge sa inyo yung distance ninyo sa isa't isa para mas mapaunlad nyo or mas mapalago ninyo yung relationship ninyo. So, yung iba, pwedeng pag-isipan nyo muna bago kayo papasok sa isang long distance relationship. Kasi ano yan commitment talaga yan Mas mahirap siya kaysa dun sa lagi mong nakakasama. So your opportunity is the Queen of Pentacles. So this is about financial stability, financial security. I see you growing your finances. You have the resources that you need. Meron kang opportunity na mas mapalawak pa yung iyong kabuhayan, yung iyong sources of income. Maaring yung iba sa inyo mas marami kayong magiging ipon. Mas maraming savings, mas maraming investments. So, how about the blessing? You have the Page of Swords. So, blessing of knowledge, no? So, I think mas mabibless ka every time na nagdadagdag ka ng kaalaman. Let's say, ini-improve mo yung skill set mo na hindi lang yung stock knowledge mo ang gagamitin mo, no? Siyempre, as day passes by, nag-evolve even the technology or anything na kung ano mang kaalaman yan, no? Na nag-evolve yan over time. So, you will be blessed the moment na lagi mong i-upgrade yung sarili mo about what's new, what's the latest trend, ganun. Okay, let's see what else. And also sa communication, you will also be very blessed. I think mas ma-express mo yung sarili mo ng maayos, na very clear, na maiintindihan ng iba. Sa money, career, finances, you will gain more connections, more friends. Sabi nga, your network is your net worth. So, pagdating sa trabaho, business, career, mas lalawak yung mga kakilala mo, mas marami kang kakilala na pwedeng maging ano rin yan tutulong sa'yo, no? Sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong business, ng career, ng iyong trabaho. And of course, this is bringing balance into your life, no? I think yung career path mo, yung trabaho mo, or source of income mo, kayang-kaya mong mabalanse yung oras at panahon mo doon at sa iba pang bagay like sa family mo, work-life balance, hindi yung buong buhay mo nasa trabaho ka lang lagi. So I think 1 year from now, mababalance mo na yung oras at panahon mo sa trabaho at sa family. You have the Knight of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Maraming opportunities for you to start something new. Lalo na kung may mga offer sa'yo of collaboration, may mga interesado sa'yo na makipagtrabaho or, magkaroon ng cooperation sa mga projects na pwedeng gawin nyo in the future. Okay, so maraming mag-open up na opportunities for you, for work, for business. Let's see your love life. Honeymoon. Sa love life, maaring if you are in a relationship, mas madalas kayong lalabas ng person mo, magbe-vacation, going out to the beach. Open-minded. So if you are single, maaring mas magiging open ka sa mga na makilala yung isang tao before you get deep with this person, no? Parang yung iba pwedeng alam mo yun, hindi ka masyadong magiging parang aloof, no? Yung parang umiiwas sa relationship. So for you, lalo na if you're single, you will be out there in the open, making friends, making new connections. You have the Empress, so this is self-love, self-care. I feel like the more na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo, the more na mas magiging attractive ka. And you can attract new relationships, potential partners, or even of course your romantic partner, no, existing romantic partner. And some of you, maaring meron pang mas madidevelop na relationship over time, lalo na kung itong taong to nakilala mo randomly lang while you're traveling. So, maaring you can expect for this person to stay in your life for a long period of time. Okay. Let's see, ano pa? Think laterally to solve a problem. So, I think mas marami ka ngayong paraan para bigyan ng solusyon yung mga problema. Mas magiging open ka sa mga iba't ibang tools at iba't ibang pamamaraan for problem solving. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!